In our day to day lives, we have seen advertisements on nutritional supplements for children, highlighting that they contain DHA. Have you ever thought about what is DHA and its importance? To understand this, first we should know about essential fatty acids. Hello everyone, I am Brincy Bryce, MSc Biochemistry student, Department of Biochemistry, University of Kerala. Here I am to talk on essential fatty acids. Fatty acids, which cannot be synthesized by our body and should be supplied through diet, are called essential fatty acids EFA or indispensable fatty acids. Linoleic acid and linolenic acid are essential fatty acids. All essential fatty acids are polyunsaturated fatty acids. They are required for growth and health. Fatty acids which contain two or more double bond are called polyunsaturated fatty acids. Other fatty acids which can be synthesized by our body and need not be necessarily supplied through diet are called non-essential fatty acids, NEFA or dispensable fatty acids. Examples are palmitic acid and stearic acid. Biochemical basis for essentiality. Linoleic acid and linolenic acid are essential since humans lack the enzymes that can introduce double bonds beyond carbon 9 to 10. These two fatty acids cannot be synthesized by humans because humans lack desaturase enzyme required for their production. Arachidonic acid becomes essential if the precursor linoleic acid is not provided in the diet in sufficient amounts. Arachidonic acid, eicosapentaenoic acid EPA and docosahexaenoic acid DHA can be made using essential fatty acids in limited amounts. However, they become essential nutrients when EFA are deficient. Certain fatty acids that become essential under some developmental or disease conditions are referred to as conditionally essential fatty acids. Example DHA. Humans can synthesize DHA to a limited extent from alpha-linolenic acid. However, the capacity to convert ALA to DHA is limited in preterm infants. So, supplementation of DHA is required to meet the needs of developing brain. Many nutritional formulas have DHA added to them. Functions of essential fatty acids. Structural components of biological membranes, transport and utilization of cholesterol, synthesis of eicosanoids such as prostaglandins, thromboxanes, leukotrienes for cell signaling, prevention of fatty liver, maintain proper growth and reproduction, brain development. Omega-3 fatty acids include alpha-linolenic acids, eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid. Omega-6 fatty acids include linoleic acid and arachidonic acid. Omega-3 fatty acid food sources include navy beans, walnuts, olive oil, flax seeds, leafy green vegetables, salmon. It promotes brain health, fight against diseases such as heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, cancer, improves bone and joint health. It's good for skin, fight against anxiety and depression. Walnuts, excellent source of omega-3 fatty acid. It increases the activity of brain. It is the only nut significantly high in omega-3 alpha-linolenic acid. It's a heart healthy food. Fish and fish oils are rich source of omega-3 fatty acids such as sardines, salmon, cod fish. Benefits of fish oils include reduces stroke risk, maintains heart health, enhances mood, improves memory and immunity, protects eyes, and for healthy skin. Examples are cod liver oil and salmon fish oil. Omega 3 is needed in our body for cardiovascular health, strong immune system, brain function and mental health, gut flora and gut health. Omega 6 fatty acid sources include olive oil, wheat germ, grape seeds, pistachios, sesame oil, hemp seed oil, pumpkin seeds, chia seed oil, safflower oil, and sunflower oil. Omega 6 fatty acids are essential fats for healthy skin, hair growth, reduce LDL cholesterol, supports bone health. Essential fatty acid deficiency can cause a condition called phrenoderma or toad skin. It is characterized by scaly dermatitis on the posterior lateral parts of limbs and buttocks.
Omega-3 supplements include omega-3 fish oil capsules. Health benefits are good for heart, helps with anxiety, improves memory, boosts immunity, healthy skin, etc. So we should include essential fatty acids in our daily diet and stay healthy. Thank you.